Welcome to our quick guide on turning on live video notifications on Instagram. If you want to be the first to know when your favorite creators go live, this step-by-step walkthrough will get you there in minutes. First, open your phone's settings. This is where your device manages all the apps and their permissions. Once you're in settings, look for the apps section. It's usually labeled differently depending on your device, but you're aiming for the area that lists all installed applications. In apps, scroll until you find Instagram. Tap on it to open Instagram's specific settings. Here you'll access options that control how the app interacts with your device, including alerts and updates. Next, choose notifications. This is where your phone decides which alerts can come through and how they appear on your screen. Within notifications, you'll see different categories or channels for the types of alerts Instagram can send. This is where you tailor your experience. Look for the category labeled live videos. If you don't see it immediately, you may need to expand or tap into additional categories, but most modern versions place live video alerts under this section. Toggle on live videos. By enabling this, you're allowing notifications specifically when accounts you follow go live. Depending on your device, you might also see options to customize how these notifications appear. Sound, vibration, or banner style. Adjust these to your liking so live alerts don't get buried in other notifications. If you're someone who loves live content, consider setting a preferred alert style and ensuring that do not disturb features won't mute these alerts during important moments. You can also repeat this process for other accounts you want to stay updated on, making your live feed experience even more personal and timely. That's all there is to it. With these settings in place, you'll never miss a live session from your favorite creators again, and you can jump in the chat, share reactions, and engage as the moment unfolds.